How is it? Is it good enough for your food to begin, but I need to level it up, right?
Yeah, I just need to warm up kids' food. I have their pizza puffs ready.
You want me to level it up, right?
Yeah, that would be good.
This all firewood has been collected from these bushes
Around, across the road.
across this area and that area over there.
Sir Baniyas Island.
And we are at Sir Baniyas
And we get the ferry from here. This is the end of the road and this is the gate. You want to see? Okay.
Bring it on!
So see what has happened in it.
Mommy Explorer, show me the magic. Ah! Wow! And all of this is happening on wood that we have collected, and we are recycling the.
Yeah, we're not cutting extra trees or anything.
We have just
using
collected,
what other people have left.
or we have collected whatever we have found over here.
Yeah.
And this is one of the eaten up
Corn.
corn by the
Mouse explorer. Mice explorer.
Mice Explorers. So, yeah, recycling everything, almost everything.
Make it a bit spicy.
So you're gonna spread them, right?
Yeah. I'll spread my sauces. You can see the veggies are cooked already. Time to wrap them. They're ready to go in the fire. So I'll just turn them around because this side has butter on. They are folded well. And they'll get cooked.
Do you want me to increase the fire or something?
No.
This is all good?
Yeah, I just want very less fire for this. We're good. This side is getting burnt.
Brother Explorer, you're hiccuping. Drink some water.
Whoa!
Crispy brown.
Awesome! Wow! Bless you.
Thanks, Father Explorer.
I love you.
I love you too, Father Explorer.
You mind saying a word here?
Very busy. Eighth wonder in my town.
I have some words to say. So, the fire's all set thanks to me, and Father Explorer is eating Veg Fajita. Wraps. Yep. So.
You're supposed to wear the hoodie.
And she's supposed to be a donkey. I'm not a donkey. So we had pizza rolls for dinner. The kids explorers had pizza rolls for dinner, and right now I'm setting up the fire.
Marshmallow.
Yep. So, to all the vegetarian people out there who love marshmallows and can't eat it because of the gelatin, we get vegan marshmallows in Lulu. And they are not available in all the Lulus, you need to find them. So we've got them and the kids will enjoy. Hey, heat.
I'm sort of
This
full
is how
of
it looks.